This is a Rubik's Cube. It is a three-dimensional puzzle that is among the most popular puzzles in the world. Each of the 6 faces is covered by 9 stickers, each one of 6 colors. For a standard Rubik's Cube, the colors are yellow, white, red, orange, green, and blue. An internal pivotal mechanism enables each face to turn independently, thus mixing up the colors. There are 6 centerpieces, 8 corners, and 12 edges, which means there are over permutations to rearrange the Rubik's Cube. To put this into perspective, one could cover the Earth's surface 275 times with that many Rubik's Cubes. Whoa.